Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you missed me because I missed you more. Namaste. So I will show you guys how I achieve this wonderful look. First off, I'll be using my powder brush with a little white powder on it to prep my eye for my eyeshadow. Then I'll be using this brush as my eyeshadow brush. Using this NYX Swear by It eyeshadow palette, I'll be going in with that nude shade at the inner corner of my eye. I want to just press it lightly because I don't want my eyeshadow to be too much. Then I'll be using this brown shade at the outer corner of my eyes. After that, I'll be using the Clever Cat eyeliner with my eyeliner brush, and I'll be creating this little wing eye on my eyes. So guys, if you want to know how I did my brows, there is a link at the description box on a detailed tutorial of how to draw your brows. Please guys, pardon my face. I was just so hungry this video. Like, I've not eaten all day, but I wanted to finish filming before I go to eat, so please don't mind the way I'm looking, okay? Right now, I'll be using my face wipe to clean those excess products on my face, like this concealer I use on my eyes that I'm supposed to wipe off before I apply my foundation. And like I said, if you want to know how I draw my brows, there'll be a link of the video at the description box below. Then I'll be going in with this classic HD foundation in 303. Be using my foundation brush, and I'll be applying the foundation on one side of my face first. Then I'm going to blend that out. And guys, if you want me to do like a tutorial of when I do my face first, like I do my foundation first before I go in with my brows and my eyeshadow, please let me know. And once I'm done with one side of my face, I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side of my face. And if you notice, I did not go in with my primer because I was not going anywhere, so I just decided to go straight into my foundation. But you are supposed to use your primer first before your foundation. So once I'm done with the side of my face, I'll be going with my foundation on my forehead. And guys, when you are blending your foundation, you just don't want to swipe it all over your face. It's as if you are dapping it. You want to just press the foundation inside your face and not just swipe it all over your face. Then I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in medium beige and cold tan. I'll be mixing it so it's not going to be too white on my face. Then I'll be using this blending brush to blend off the concealer. So I'll be applying this concealer under my eyes so we can close those eye bags. Then on my nose and on my forehead. And guys, like I said, just want to press this concealer inside your face. Don't just swipe it all around your face. This helps your foundation, your concealer to sit more. It helps it to look better, and it also helps it to last longer. So guys, I'll be using this LA Pride Oil Control Concealer Palette in the chocolate shade as my contour. I'll be using that at the side of my cheeks, my forehead, and also on my nose. Then I'll be going in with this blending brush to blend the concealer out. Like I said guys, please do not just swipe this on your face. This video is fast, but I am not swiping. I am just pressing everything on my face, just as if I'm dapping it on my face. That is what you want to do. Then I'll be using this smaller brush to blend the contour on my nose. Once I'm done with that, I'll be using my Sach Buttercup setting powder to set those places that I applied my concealer. That's under my eyes, my forehead, my nose. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of like a revised contour on my face. And for my lips, I'll be using this classic lip stain in hot flame and tomato red. So I'll be going in first with the hot flame, and I'll be using this Bobbi Brown lip brush to apply the lip stain on my lips. So guys, honestly, when you are applying your lip stain, you just want to take your time, especially when it's a matte lip stain. Especially when it's matte, you just want to take your time while applying it. If you have a lip liner, you can line your lips first. If not, you can just use like a brush that I'm using right here to line your lips, like I'm doing now, to just line your lips before you go in with the lipstick. So once I'm done with that, I'll be using my tomato red at the inner part of my lips, just to fill in those empty space I left there, and so the lips will not be too dark. Then once I'm done with that, I'll wipe off the excess setting powder I have on my face, and I'll also be setting those contour with my contour palettes. Then I'll be using the same Clever Cat eyeliner to line my waterline. Right now I'll be using the Miss Rose makeup fixer to spray my face. Then I'll be using the Usher bronzer to give myself that glowy look on my cheekbone and also on my nose. And then I'll be going in with my Zikel face kit. I'll be using the ebony and chestnut shade as my powder. Then, like I said guys, you don't want to do the swipey motion stuff, just dab it all over your face. Then I went back into the Miss Rose makeup fixer, and this is the end of our look. Yay, I am back with my wig. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please guys, do not forget to give this video a thumb up and also to hit the subscription button. Love you.